Okay, it's finally here, the iPhone 15. Gadget Beer. What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today's video, we have the most anticipated phone of the decade. And I say the decade because this is the iPhone 15 with USB Type-C charging port, which is an absolutely game changer. Never in the world would you thought that Apple would have ditched the lightning jack. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we have here as the package. This is the iPhone 15. It is not the Pro or the Pro Max. It's just the regular iPhone 15 in yellow. Looking at the front, you do have a nice little yellow image of as a wallpaper, silhouette of the phone, nothing on the back. So without further ado, this is your very typical iPhone packaging. You do have iPhone here in yellow. I don't know if you can see that. It's very hard to see. The Apple logo is in yellow as well. iPhone in yellow, Apple logo in yellow. Very subtle, very hard to see. Let's go ahead and remove these pull tabs. Bam. And wow, look at that. I don't know if you can even tell that it's yellow, but it is very subtle. It's very pastel-like, may I say. But look at that. Bam. Almost gold, actually. This side looks almost gold. This actually looks like a gold more than a yellow. Let me know down in the comment section below if you agree or disagree with me, but I think this almost looks like a gold color. Looks very nice. But what else do we have in the box? We have the Type-C to Type-C charging cable. Now this is a fabric braided material, which is absolutely fantastic for you guys. This is Type-C right here. Welcome to the Type-C family. Welcome. Check this out. Pull that on the side. We'll save that for a little bit. You see that? Look at that satisfying feeling. Absolutely fantastic. Type-C to Type-C. Welcome to the family, guy. And you're gonna get your typical no longer SIM injection tool, because these come with eSIM, so you have to go to your carrier. It will activate it through the iPhone app itself and your sticker. And no charging brick, like always. No charging brick. Let's go ahead and put that. Take a closer look at this beautiful iPhone. The difference between the iPhone 14 and iPhone 15 this year is you do have the dynamic island. No more do you have the notch here on top. You do have that dynamic island, and I think you have a OLED display instead of IPS LCD display. I think now they come in OLED, so that is a very nice welcome addition to the iPhone 15. But you do have your volume rocker there. You still have the mute slider. You don't have the action button like the Pros, but the mute slider is still available. The power button / Siri button. And now this right here is not a button. This is for your 5G antennas. It just looks like it's just a pass through, so you can get better reception through there. But nothing on top. On the bottom, you got your speaker, Type-C charging port, and your mic. Actually, it's mic, speaker, charging port there. But looking at this in the back, you do have this nice frosted material. Like I said, it's yellow, but doesn't quite look yellow. I don't even know if this picks it up pretty good, but it's like a subtle pastel yellow. Looks more to gold to me. The edges look gold to me. I don't know, but this is just a quick unboxing, quick first impressions of the iPhone 15. I absolutely like the feel of this. I actually like this frosted back here. Looks really good, feels good in hand. Can't wait to dive into this 15. I know most of you guys are gonna get the 15. If not, let me know down in the comment section below which one you guys are gonna get. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to enjoy more iPhone content like this.